Secret sauce. Let's talk a little more about our secret sauce here at Covair. We train your childhood program to give your nervous system a roadmap it can trust. It's not okay that you didn't have a Realtor parent, but once your nervous system has our Covair roadmap, it will feel safe and you will naturally overcome all obstacles. Now, if you have not watched our previous video on your childhood program and nervous system, it would be super helpful to go back and watch that video prior to watching this video. So let's first talk about functionality. Everyone has the same brain system and nervous system functionality. We're all created equally as babies and begin our journey with the same functional system. As such, we're born with a nervous system that needs a roadmap. It needs a roadmap to understand how to navigate adulthood. And our nervous system is focused mainly on keeping us safe, and it elicits the fight or flight response in order to keep us safe. If it has a roadmap to help navigate a certain situation in life, it feels safe and will proceed. But if it does not have a roadmap, it'll cause you to feel fear and turns on the fight or flight response to various degrees, various levels as necessary. Any unknown bad is much worse than a known bad or a known problem. So your nervous system always prefers what is known over the unknown. Your roadmap is given to you mainly before the age of 14. And we refer to this as your childhood program book of laws. It is these laws by which you navigate everything in life. In your real estate business, it dictates your expectations, your limitations, your abilities in regard to marketing yourself, how you call leads, the nervousness you get before calling leads, how you nurture those leads, how you express your value when the commission conversation comes up, and any problem solving that is necessary. Anything, everything, you name it, it influences everything. And this is why you get nervous before calls. This is why fear creeps into your real estate business. So if you didn't have a realtor as a parent or grandparent, your childhood program book of laws simply doesn't have the natural components and systems and wiring for you to be a top producer. I have seen this over and over in my career. A daughter of a realtor enters the business and is a natural. She pounces on opportunities that others are just staring at. She naturally knows little things that push her in front of getting listings. I've seen grandkids skip college and take to the business, and within a year they have more listings than anyone in the office. They are naturally wired for what we do in real estate, and they never get confused or shocked at the behavior of clients. I've seen others whose parents were not realtors, but maybe they were teachers or worked for the government in some way, and they naturally struggle. They don't invest in themselves or their business. The real estate process is super foreign to them, and they naturally overlook opportunities because they didn't have a realtor parent in their lives early on.